Hey, do you want to know how to make money online using AI? Stick till the end of this video and I'll explain everything. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the online landscape, making money with AI. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence can be your ticket to earning online, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore the incredible ways AI is revolutionizing the income game. Artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a powerful tool that's changing the way we make money online. From automating tasks to predictive analytics, AI offers endless possibilities. Let's talk about practical applications. AI-powered tools like chatbots, automated content creation, and personalized recommendations are not only streamlining businesses but also providing opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and ideas. Imagine creating content effortlessly. AI content generators like text and video creation tools help turn ideas into engaging content, saving time and effort. Monetize your creativity without the usual hassle. AI-driven marketing tools analyze data, predict trends, and target audiences with precision. Whether through social media ads or personalized campaigns, AI maximizes reach and boosts your earning potential. Freelancers, listen up. AI platforms connect you with gigs, match your skills, and even assist in pricing your services. It's like having a personal assistant that secures jobs and increases your income. Financial enthusiasts, take note. AI algorithms analyze market trends, optimize portfolios, and automate trading strategies, offering opportunities for passive income and smart investments. We've only scratched the surface. With AI advancements, opportunities to earn online will continue to evolve. Embrace AI, stay updated, and explore its endless possibilities. So, are you ready to harness the power of AI and monetize your skills or ideas online? Dive into the world of AI-driven earning opportunities. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.